The new iPhone 13 is launching on 24th of September, and now we all know that it comes in 4 different models: the iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. All these models have now more advanced camera system than the iPhone 12. Unlike previous iPhone models, which got different camera and camera features on all the models, but now the 13 mini and 13 has same advanced camera, while the 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max has exact same camera system with more advanced feature. The iPhone 13 mini and the 13 has got diagonally placed dual camera system of 12 megapixel. The wide lens aperture is 1.6, which lets 47% more light than the previous model. This allows to shoot even in a darker environment. Another ultra-wide lens aperture is 2.4 and gives 120-degree field of view. Apple says the ultra-wide camera has all new sensor allowing to capture more details in low light too. There is also a portrait mode with advanced bokeh and depth control, plus portrait lighting with 6 effect, and also comes with photographic style that is more like a filter to add color punch to your photos. Coming to video shooting, Apple has a new cinematic mode which allows to create shallow depth of field in video, but this only limits to 1080p resolution. With cinematic mode, you can even change the focus of your subject after shooting the video in the post. You can record HDR, Dolby Vision up to 4K 60 fps. Also now the mini and the 13 both has sensor shift stabilization for video. You can capture slow motion video at 1080p 240 fps maximum, which is same as the iPhone 12. Overall, the mini and 13 has more advanced camera system than the iPhone 12, which is good for those who loves to capture moments and for professional cinematographer and photographer. Now let's look at the camera system of 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. Here the difference is only the size, and camera system are exact same, which has a larger sensor and is more advanced than the mini or iPhone 13. The Pro and Pro Max model has 3 lens camera system which are all of 12 megapixel. The telephoto lens has f2.8 aperture, wide has f1.5 and ultra wide camera has f1.8 aperture and 120-degree field of view. The telephoto lens is capable of optically zooming 3 times, which is 0.5 times more than its previous generation. Here night mode portraits are also enabled by LiDAR scanner, which is missing in the 13 mini and the 13. The wide camera captures 2.2 times more light, while the ultra wide will take 92% more light this time. This will make it able to shoot at night and get a brighter and crisp photo even at night time. And for the first time, the wide-angle camera of Pro models can shoot macro photography. Same case is for the video. You can still use the low light capability of those camera to shoot video in low light. It has got all the recording features like cinematic, Dolby HDR as in the mini or 13 Plus. Moreover, the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max will be able to shoot at ProRes codec, which will make editing and color grading less painful even in 4K quality. But you need to have at least 256GB model to be able to shoot in 4K, else ProRes quality will be limited to 1080p only. Well, this was an overview of the camera system of iPhone 13 models. More videos on the iPhone will be coming soon, so please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech videos like this. Thank you for watching. Namaste.